Advanced email marketing tactics that work today. Email marketing has been around since the early days of the internet, and it keeps on being one of the most powerful, most cost-efficient online marketing methods available. However, a lot has changed since its inception, with new technological developments and increased competition forcing marketers to come up with newer strategies. So grab a pen and paper, because in this video, we're going to show you the most results-driven email marketing strategies that work today, including an overhead call to action. We recommend you to place a call to action above your email's body header to leverage your recipient's average attention span. Because the majority of people will only read what's on top of the email body to skip what they assume is only contact info at the bottom. You can benefit from placing a call to action that people can click through immediately after opening your emails. This strategy has been found to increase conversion rates and engagement in many cases, so include it in your initial split tests. Getting personal with behavior-triggered emails. One of the best ways to further engage your subscribers is by using segmentation retrieved data to trigger emails based on specific subscriber information. Examples of behavior-triggered emails include emails sent to a subscriber on his or her birth date with a gift such as a discount coupon, anniversary updates on the date when someone subscribed to one of your lists, and automated content marketing and product recommendation emails based on a customer's past purchases, using standout CTA buttons. The best way to ensure that a recipient actually pays attention to a call to action button is by making it stand out from the rest of the elements in your email. The simplest way to achieve this effect is by using CTA button colors that contrast with your email background colors. Programming a preference center into your sign-up forms. Allowing your subscribers to self-segment right before they sign up to your lists is a strategy that, besides keeping your subscribers happy, can actually help you to achieve increased email revenues of up to 760%. To do this, you'll simply have to include a preference center in your sign-up forms. A preference center is simply a set of checkboxes that will allow your new subscribers to decide how they want to interact with your email lists. The items that you include in these sections will vary depending on your industry, but besides using them to ask for a subscriber's demographic info, you're mostly going to use them to ask new subscribers the frequency in which they want to receive your emails, what type of promotional emails they would like to receive, and whether they would like to opt in to your newsletter or not. Separating buyers from prospects. One segmentation strategy that not too many email marketers seem to follow is to separate your subscribers into two different segments, buyers and prospects. Buyers are those that are already your customers, the ones that are making you money. Prospects, on the other hand, are those people that are seemingly interested in your business but that haven't spent a penny on it yet. These types of subscribers are radically different, and as such, they deserve different types of emails to be sent to them. So the best approach is to take the people that are actively buying from you to a buyer's list to whom you are going to send new offers, exclusive product arrival info, surprise bonuses, or huge discount codes. The idea is to keep them truly committed to the customer lifecycle through incentives. On the other hand, you should take people that have shown interest in your business and add them to a prospects list, to whom you will be sending content-rich emails where you are going to include incentives that can push them towards their first purchase, such as deep, time-sensitive discounts and weekly sweepstakes. So there you go. There are our top modern email marketing strategies. Start applying them today to start getting the results that you've dreamed about all along.